Hello everyone, welcome back to another Let's Try episode. I'm Watermark. I briefly did show this in an update video. Didn't really explain it, mainly had it for the background, so I thought, you know what, I'll give this a proper go for you guys. This is just a demo. The silly animals beating each other. Peoria experiment with vitamins has ill effects. So yeah, I'm going to pause that for a sec. So basically the objective of the game, you play as either George, Lizzie or Ralph. I play as George because he's like, the big gorilla guy, even though he's my favourite. The objective is to basically complete the level by breaking down all the buildings and all the cars and stuff like that. You get extra points for picking up power-ups, eating people, and of course you lose health by getting shot at and taking full damage. Pretty basic concept, but brilliant game. Oh, just ate an old man. 500 points. Yeah. Oh fuck it. No. Taking slight damage. I'm not gonna do a let's play of this at any point. There is a reason why. A lot of the levels are the same, and there's like 120, 130 levels. It'd get too boring very quickly, so I'd probably show off like what I'm doing now, just like 5 levels, maybe even 10, depending how far I get. That's about it. Oh. No. Ah. Oh, I think I just smashed the TV as well, electrocuted. Alright, let's blow up this building. Oh shit, dynamite. Oh. They destroyed their own building, fucking idiots. I love George, look at his little face. You can go away. Chicago, or Chicago as it's known. Now, this the story of how I first came across this is actually the exact same... Oh, hello. It's the exact same story as how I came across Smash TV. Because this was all included in the arcade party pack. Basically, my mum took me to, I think it was HMV actually, you know. This was back in the day when HMV was actually fucking amazing. It's still good for DVDs, but I mean, like, amazing in terms of games as well. Like, amazing. And obviously back in the day when PS1 games were still, you know, a brand new thing. Now, I got 4 games for Christmas. I got SmackDown 2, Knockout Kings 99, Rayman 2, and of course the arcade party pack. SmackDown 2 is probably one of my favourite wrestling games of all time. Well, was until obviously Here Comes the Pain, which by the way I do have a copy of, and I've got a PlayStation 2 with the right cables, so I will be doing a video of that at some point. I even upgraded the visuals on the PS2 slightly by changing a different cable setting. Rayman 2, yeah, it was pretty decent. Knockout Kings 99 was fantastic. My love for the box of Butterbean blemished from there. But Arcade Party Pack, I mean, all the games on there except one I liked. There were 6 games in there, so you had Smash TV, you had Rampage, Super Sprint, Tubin, Clax. They're all on here, by the way. All of these are on here, including the one I hate. There's like a skating one which I just couldn't fucking get on with. I really couldn't. I don't know why. It was not my cup of tea. It really wasn't. And don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't like skateboarding games. I mean, Tony Hawk's Pro Skater definitely proves that I fucking do like skateboarding games. Chicago Evergreen concern over Mega Vitamin. Oh, see if I can eat this old man. No. No, no. Yeah. Ah, there's a fucking tank. Yeah. Now, will I get electrocuted if I attack the cold beer sign? No, I won't. That is a surprise. Come on, you. Smashy, smashy. Butt wiggle. Toaster. Oh, yeah, got electrocuted on that one. Shit. Oh, no, I'm shrinking. To a tiny naked man. I'm growing again. Yeah, so we had Smash TV, which I've done a Let's Play of already. Inspired by the film Running Man, which was obviously derived from the novel by Stephen King, The Running Man, which I need to read at some point. Then you got was it Rampage, which obviously this. Oh my god, I just realised, I thought the picture next to the monkey, George even, was the photo of the news reporter. It's not. It was the photo taken prior to the mutation. That is really cool, actually. I can appreciate that a lot. Oh no, my pets. Oh, turkey. Come on. It's actually him prior to it, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, sorry you got this game, of course. You got Super Sprint, which is a great little driving game. Weirdly enough, I think you can have 3 players on the arcade machine itself. And you can put 3 players. And I've heard of 2 players, heard of 1 player, I've even heard of 4 players. I've never heard of 3, that's such a weird number. But yeah, they had that. Tubin, which was like, it's a game where you're both in like these rubber donut things, and you're like racing to the finish. There's like obstacles and different things you can pick up. And oh, can I eat the woman with the big hooters? Such a good game. Clax is like a puzzle game. Then you got that skateboarding game, which I don't get the fucking concept. I bloody well don't. The tank just destroyed itself. Fair play. Oh, bit of trivia, which I'm actually not happy about. Well, I am, until I found out the cast list, and many people will disagree, and I'm really sorry. Basically, they are making a film of this. You think, hooray, you know, decent. I thought that was pretty damn cool as well, to make a film of this. Well fucking done, you know, because, you know what, it's not that well known, like compared to other games, and they're actually making a film of it. Brilliant, you know, fantastic. There's a way you can incorporate many things into the story. Then I found out who one of the main cast was, and I'm not too happy about it. I think he's a great wrestler. I really do. Some things he's alright in, but they just shove him into anything because he's just a fucking muscle man. And that's The Rock. They've whacked him in it, and I'm like, why? Like, it's nothing against The Rock, nothing against him at all, but I'm just like, look, just stop throwing him into everything. It's fucking annoying. It is really piss annoying. It's like, why? I don't get what the big obsession is with The Rock in a film. I don't get it. He's just, the way I look at him, he's just a muscle man. That's all he is. And because of his, it's not even his acting credibility, it's more along the fact of, because he's just known for being The Rock, rather than known for being an actor, because everyone knows him as The Rock. They're like, oh yeah, why can we film here? Because everyone knows him and relate to him. No, stop filming him in the fucking film. It's annoying. I know people will disagree, and you know what? You have every right to. It's just a matter of opinion. That's all it is, an opinion. But I mean, I will still watch it. I'm one of these people like you never know. Like, another opinion I've got that people won't agree with. I love Adam Sandler, I really do. His films are fucking hilarious. Or should I say, were hilarious. The films and stuff he's involved in now, it's just get with the times. Like, it's not 90s, you can't keep doing that shit anymore. Dan's Deli. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a rant with films. It's just like another way that I feel towards film as well is Tom Hanks is probably one of the best actors ever. I mean, he's powerful. Nearly every film in is just, I mean, the story is just really strong. I don't know, I just think he's a fucking amazing actor, and I give him all the credit in the world. He deserves awards for what he does. He probably has had awards, I don't fucking know. But no, another opinion of mine, and it's one that's a bit close to home, I should say, is my favourite actor of all time is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Mainly because of his 80s film. I love his 80s action films and 90s action films. I fucking love them, okay? But they keep putting him in Terminator films, and I'm like, you're just doing it because it says the word Terminator in it. Like, Terminator 3 was shit. Although Terminator 3 The Redemption, which is the video game, that is fucking excellent. They've done a really good job on that. But of course, games and films are two different things. Now, people think, I'd say Terminator Salvation, which was the one he wasn't primarily involved in, I thought that was a bloody good film. It was bloody good. It was nice to actually have a film in the perspective of the war, you know. Obviously before it got too bad, like at the beginning of it, I thought it was pretty damn cool. But no, you got what the hell? Oh, sorry, mate. But no, sorry, yeah, they keep, Terminator Genesis was shit. Like, there was one good bit, and I was so looking forward to it. They were going back to the 80s, in 1984. And I thought, oh my god, you know, Arnold versus Arnold. Holy shit, this is going to be epic. Yeah, that part lasted all but 5 minutes. Probably less. And I was just like, you fucking idiots. Like, you went to all that effort, and you made a really good job of, like, the scenery and everything. 5 fucking minutes. Are you serious? And then, to make matters worse, they're like, oh yeah, that didn't happen, nor did Judgment Day. I'm like, what? The two best films, and you just said, oh, they never happened. You fucking morons. Which is why I'm pleased they are making another Terminator film. People think, oh, fucking hell, not another one. I partially do agree, but this time, James Cameron is involved. I think he just finally stepped in and went, you know what, enough shit. Enough fucking shit. And this is the beauty of it. The original cast are returning, i.e. Linda Hamilton, she's coming back, hooray. And there's one other thing as well, which I'm really pleased about. James Cameron has said this film is a direct sequel to Terminator 2 Judgment Day. As in, no Terminator 3. I mean, it's a shame about no Salvation, but you know what? It's James Cameron's universe, fuck it. I'll happily accept it. And there's no Terminator fucking Genesis. Holy shit. I am beyond happy. All I'm going to say, Cameron, is just do your fucking magic and make it work. Because you can. Okay, Terminator 1. Sorry, The Terminator. I should say Terminator. The Terminator was a fucking excellent film. Terminator 2 is, in my opinion, and it is my opinion, probably the greatest sequel ever made. Like, normally sequels can't top the original. Normally. Fucking wrong. It definitely topped it. I'm gonna jump on my arse, yes I am. Do 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 do. But yeah, no, this game is fucking excellent. I would love to have played this on an actual arcade machine. I'm not even sure if this is the arcade version or like a dumbed down version of the arcade. I actually have no idea. Just because I've never seen the arcade version. There could even be an improved version of the arcade version. Considering it, this was released in like 19... That man in a bathtub and a fishbowl. Okay, I've eaten a fishbowl and a man in a bathtub. My day couldn't get better. But no, this game is just excellent. But it sounds weird. I'm not going to do a let's play of it ever. The levels are virtually the same as each other, and I'm not going to bore you with 120 something levels, where the first 20 levels are virtually the same anyway. After like 15 levels, 20 levels, it just repeats itself. But it still says like day 50 days, 60 days. And it's just... it's too repetitive in that sense. Which is a shame. I think if they lessened the amount of levels and made it harder, they could have been onto a winner. That's me personally speaking anyways. But anyways, that's where I'm going to leave things. I hope you've enjoyed this little taster of Rampage. I fucking love it. I recommend anyone give it a go, and if you do find the arcade machine, hot diggity damn, you're in luck. Anyways, thanks for your time guys, as always. See you very soon. Goodbye for now.